So I got my Mach-E Rally a couple months ago, and I've been really wanting a dash cam, and I was really excited when Mangoal reached out to me because I didn't want to mess up how my car looks, but this gives it an OEM look. Check this out. Here's the package. Let's check out everything inside. Pull it up. And this will replace the little cover right underneath your rearview mirror, and it's plug and play. Has app connection, 4K, and comes with memory card and everything you need to install it. You can see it hooks up to your USB port and your factory wiring. So this is the unit right here. It has a hole right here for your sensor, and this is the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and in my Mach-E take out the standard one. There's just a couple clips. You can see them here. And it comes with a trim tool here to go ahead and get those out. And this one is 4K front. Also has a rear camera as well, which is 1080p. And you can run that to wire that in the rear. See everything you need there. Here's your GPS module. So, you know, you can keep this around. And, you know, people can do your GPS so you know where you were and what happened. So let's go ahead and get this. All right, so this is the factory unit right here, and this is the one with the built-in dash cam, and you can see all you're going to get is that little difference of that camera sticking down. And it's a good idea to go off of these clips to get an idea of where to pry on. So you set this here. I'd recommend flipping your mirror all the way down, and then I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand, but using your trim removal tool, you can see in here it's about here, so that's about right up here. I just want to and factory one is out. You see it's just right here. Super simple. This guy is where you're going to get your power from. You just take this guy out. It has a little nub on it. Be careful, it's in there really tight. So just be gentle and take your time. And then you get this harness here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this one in here, and then this one back into this, and then this is going to go to our camera now. All right, you see, plugged in here, plugged into camera, plugged back in, all good to go. All right, so everything is in. Before I went and put it up, I just wanted to make sure everything is working. I'm going to route these later, but that is for the GPS, which is optional, and the optional rear camera, which has plenty of room to go back. So you're going to want to route the GPS down here, down to there, and then this rear camera you're going to want to route all the way through here and then onto your back glass. Look at this. Looks like a factory install. How cool is that? You got your SD card right there. You can turn it on or off simply here. You know, you can just press a button to take a picture just like that, or turn it on or off. You know, look at, everything works. No wires hanging anywhere. Just an awesome install. The windows are kind of dirty. You can't even see it from here. Plus they're tinted, but it's right there. So my final thoughts on this dash cam, I absolutely love it. It looks completely factory in my Mach-E. You can always just save the original trim piece. If you know this is a lease, so I'm going to get rid of it. No wires hanging anywhere. You can easily run the backup camera and the GPS if you need to. Not the backup camera, the rear facing camera. I'm going to do that later. Super easy app integration. I just turn the car on. It says start recording, so I know I'm protected and I don't even have to worry about it. And you can see, you know, here's the visual. It's showing everything super clear. You can see recording. Came with the memory card even, so it's holding all that data. You can hit here, take a picture, pause, restart, flip it around, you know, microphone on or off. everything works great, and I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.